My family has been expanded by all of you. You are my family. And I celebrate my joys with you, as the challenges, because you make us stronger. I'm not going to tell you Juliet's age. You can Google that. But Juliet is forever young. I watch her on her social media doing all kind of young people things. And I tell her, Juliet, I'm gonna try and do some of them things I want to see her. But she still does it. Because, you know, you act as how you feel. And her actions are always genuine. And you all know that she is now dedicating her life to you. Our children are grown. I mean, we look back at it and it's like yesterday, they were like this, and now they are like this. And so now, behave yourself. And so now, you know, in a way, you are now the family that we have to take care of. There is a time and place for everything. Yes. And so tonight is not really the night for that other thing. But it is still the time when we encourage you to choose. And as it says on the cake, East Rural St. Andrew, choose Juliet Anne-Marie Holness, otherwise Jackie. So join me in wishing Juliet a happy Sweet 16. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Juliet. Happy birthday to you. One more year, partner.